America kiss up. One shot. Tell her no. Not Christmas. Because she don't believe. Oh, yeah, my dear. She didn't come.
How she can come?
The ocean went to America kiss up. How are you did
But they
it?
say she not pretty and she can't win Miss World.
No, call the photo cover the beauty. Hey, he said, pop the balloon. Let me go up there. It's my pick
So
up the
why
right
you
girl.
call her a weather balloon?
Because she fat. Them use a balloon like you see. Make it big and fat like you. Balloon and put them as to test the weather. First time, them not use drone or something.
But are you make everybody call a woman weather balloon?
Yeah, weather balloon. Hey, my baby mother the big. Almost big like you, you know. The second, the children and mother. Come from Seattle Center. I know the man them call her weather balloon, so me give her name. Yeah, me give my second baby mother, my second children mother them. I never did every day. You know what? Come up and take the son.
No.
I bleach. I rub. So where you rub for? You don't have a man already. Do you have a man that gonna love you? Have enough for
You
rub?
have no man.
No man, you must have man, because you have $1 million, remember? Remember you have $1 million, you know?
Who
You
does
can't do $1 million, but to the $1 million. You have
9 was shot. 9 was shot. 9 was shot.
Hey, hold on.
9 was.
Half of $1 million,
Don't make that
the pan thing there. You have fixed deposit up at Jamaica National Bank for half a tree.
Yeah, another story that Jerry had about 9 million. 9 million.
9 million.
How much?
Hey, you buy some furniture and carpet and thing. You could spend half the whole blood clot money you have to get surpassed by furniture and carpet and then you have to you know, $500,000.
Triple chat.
And you get from the artist, you know, you remember?
Triple chat.
So, so you have $500,000 into...
That triple don't follow Jerry on the money store. Triple chat. That use a triple. What kind of money store you come with Jerry with money?
Oh, you broke so quick. At Christmas to get the money, you know.
Which triple chat?
Everywhere one is hard to get.
Tell her chat
Yeah,
said
yeah,
a lion.
What? Chat
Triple
to
chat.
Them we are tell them to send a lion.
All right.
Tell them to
Send
send
a
a lion.
lion. Bella, I beg you a lion. Because I want some... I wait them... What's the name? The sponsor. But me the
Tell them to send a
Send
lion.
a lion. Hey, you know what? Me and you in the same category, you know.
Why?
Weather balloon. Yeah, beg, but me welcome the sponsors that the sport people them like they run and
Take a
them.
lion.
Boxer. Me welcome sponsor.
Chat to the camp on a lion.
Blood clot, they look up in a bed, have a blood clot.
Yeah, me a beg.
You don't come out door.
I'm a settee, Jerry. Me in a bed.
Tell chat to
Beg
focus.
pussy.
Tell them to
Me I beg
focus.
to get a pussy.
Beg, tell them to focus.
Focus on auntie. Are you going to the begging, you know?
Tell them to shoot.
The same time I want pussy.
Tell them to shoot.
Shoot. Sorry. I hear them I want pussy. You hear me say, please can we make love, honey? I begging that. I mean, say to a girl when me love, say, please can we make love, honey? I begging that. Me no beg for.
Tell them to sponsor your
And
lion.
yes, sponsor me a lion. Me no go up.
Tell them to sponsor your
Oh,
lion.
so you tell that to them. Sponsor me a lion. Oh, sponsor me, think I'm begging. Sponsor me a lion.
Beg a lion, I get you get it.
Blood clot category, you know.
Tell them to sponsor your lion.
Sponsor me a lion. You get it? You get lion them?
You not get it. Tell them to send a gift.
Send me gifts. But here we go on now. The worldwide world. The Japan world. A worldwide.
Jerry,
A
beg.
worldwide.
Pete, thank you. I don't know whether I internet is
Don't worry about it. The money there.
Pete and the good Pete and Chad. It's a long time. I not see you know.
But I have a terrorist. Don't say something about some brain. I say for people now. I say for the lazy people. Them lazy people. I say for Michael man, this is a plant self-reliance. Them talk about a fuck.
Jerry and I beg the lion.
Beg a lion.
Yeah,
I used to
that's what
begging
they
it. Beg a lion.
We play one more match,
But me
girl.
not used to begging. Me
My
not
last
go
match
for
is we
begging.
play because I go up on the
We
road.
play 2 or
Me not used to
6.
begging.
Listen to,
Me used to begging.
We play 2 or 6.
Come here, beg. Today me a teach you
I
to
am
beg.
no. We can't
No, but
beg.
me a teach
A
you to
blind man,
beg.
the air man. The man.
Start
Same.
focus.
Yeah. Was.
10 years. I teach me how to beg.
Oh, my teacher.
Sponsor.
Ah, yes.
Tell
All
me
right. Yeah,
sponsors.
yeah. All right. Use a sponsor. Sponsor.
Yeah,
Sponsor you something. Tell him say you sponsor gift. Tell
Yeah,
him say.
sponsor gift. Yeah,
No,
man.
tell him say
I
sponsor
don't
your
like
gift.
hearing the name beg.
All right, don't
It's
beg.
blind man beg.
All right, sponsor.
Me not blind, me not invalid, me not fanatic. Me hard working man, me agriculture and construction. I'm here be with them the Rockefeller.
Jerome,
So you
Jerome.
get sing the art. You get sitting.
Don't make that true.
Oi!
Can't bother with the begging.
Tell him beg them and send a gift.
That's it, me give fine. I better get them the gift there, you know.
So you not get them?
Yeah, me get two. But me must say me can't operate or something, you know.
Yeah, always, you
I
know,
am
say when you
nature.
jump on social media, always a go
But
like.
me technology, me is nature.
Stop behave like
Use
that.
technology.
Because you want smart piece
Me
of
can't-
money,
me
you know
can't-
what you do, you know.
Me can't operate them phone, yeah. Me can't do it.
You know what you do, Jerome. You know what you do.
Me no want the
You
Papa
know what
road.
you there now yet.
Papa
Now you
road.
Papa.
God. Me never know that Papa could have a house value about 12 million.
Guys,
Come
you want to
on.
drop a rose.
Papa can't have blood house value over 18 million for them, you know.
No go so.
18
No,
million
no,
yards
sir.
house value about. What? My yard?
No go so.
Banish down road. Okay,
No go
scheme.
so lie. No.
My man have been some house. My man have been some house.
No,
And
Jerry,
I
no.
them to tell you. I name holiness. Holiness have been some house and say blood clot house in 2 days, you know. You are going to say we can build some for 10 million. So my house past 10 million. But yeah, my house is 21 years. My house was 1.5 million.
3 more
in
roses.
1999.
3 rows. One more.
I tell you something.
2 more rows,
They
guys.
know how them young
2
people
more
are going to
rows.
manage.
No.
No. 2 more.
Tell them say you beg them a lion.
Beg your lion. Won't give me lion.
Right, it was a triple.
People must send you.
Jamaica people.
Chat.
Anybody at all.
Fine
Tell them
people.
for double.
Double the lion.
Triple. Come chat.
Jerry.
Give time to on the
Tell them
glove.
for double.
The Ras.
Guys, when I have the money going to Galaxy, we are look 10K for go up there. Come on and chat yard bar.
The beer
Would that not
Yeah.
good?
I get the screen tap on the phone.
Yeah.
Come back.
We get the
Somebody
ball for the
can
ball too.
wheel. Somebody else can follow Peter and beg on one wheel. We could say we can go up there.
Come on, watch your Rosalie pass we out.
Them like Rosealee a lot.
Of course.
Rosealee stop take cocky. Oh, you mean now, no man?
I would
Stop
be
take cocky.
sad.
You know, cock up and fuck. Be good. Be old, be good as be old, be old. Rosealee.
So Jerry, I tell Bella say come on my yard.
They say what this is. Yeah, I get more money.
Never tell Bella say come on my yard.
They say and she come
Tell
can.
the people them say you want gift.
Hey, me need gift, you know. Bella need gift.
So why you can't call?
No, me want my blind man beg. Sponsors, I want your song.
Jerry.
Bella say you want a lion.
I don't like the word beg. It's blind man beg. I don't like it. Cause I don't go up in a begging world.
But a different
I
world
go
you
up
in
in a
now.
hustling world. I
But
die money up
a
about
different
King
world
Street.
you in now.
No, I die money up about King Street. And thief the dumb, but them half of the boat for sell to Charlie
Beg a
Manchester.
lion or a post, Jerry.
What that? A
One
puss?
post.
You get money from puss?
Yeah?
Puss a pussy. A pussy.
Post, cat.
Never beg a cat. Me had put a cat, me have 4 puss already. And they have a puss them, but they are them thief. You can't turn your back and bring them gone. I want you over witness someone bring them down here.
Yeah.
Puss.
Never like them the dirty
Jerry,
people
let
from time to
us push
time.
that talk.
Oh, a pussy me want?
Jesus.
No, gift one post kitten gift.
I have a whip in my yard, never bought a dozen.
Bozo.
You can't let up the pigeon now the Bible of. Puss kitten.
Yeah.
Puss kitten. I want some money.
So beg the money.
If you beg money, you
Yeah.
can take the money come here. Just like that. Money I pick up a tree.
Yard boss, Chad, Pete, dark, brighter side. Come
Love
chat
you.
my Jerry over there, big to no shoot over there.
I'll stop the hood. Yeah, cock up.
Pete, Chad!
Very good for you.
Huh?
You hold up on the bed and hold on tight the hood in your clothes. I can't believe say you not get it for. And the man them with salam, about some 12 inches. Hey, you waste time, you know. A one life you have to live, but you know romance and sex. The money there. And every time you went for come, you better you come in our family and your neighbor them now go here. When you cock up is a 10 in it. You remember that? Cock up is a 10. Because you can't do it. And a waste time. And now take cocky. Wrong with, there's nothing wrong with you. But look at the chip them. Look at you with the virus. The virus you can take. The girl let me take you with the virus. We notice them now fuck. And them are 25 and them not have no baby. Tell me them at the belly what?
But I tell me say you would there with Rosealee.
And they be Rosealee? I know they be just a fuck. They be just a fuck. Cause long time you no fuck. They be just a butter the pussy for you. Rings it now wide near. And you get a 1 dozen fuck like the next one there. You escape, you run with. You remember?
Nobody call nobody name.
You said white. Never get the girl fuck that. I bet me that girl there again. You're mad, man. You can't sit come here.
No!
And I'll check my beer smoke a
When
cigarette.
you done play that game, you have something there.
No game.
Come here, go up on the road. When you done play the game, you can have something there.
You want to play no
And the
game.
last game we play.
You're looking after.
Come tell them to be sponsor you.
Sponsor.
Like
The next sponsor.
8, 9, 10,
Must tell them
11.
to
I
be
like
there.
the
Want
sponsor.
some more roads to catch your speed.
Oh, make them see that Jerome.
I
More
want
roads.
some. Well, look. You're lucky.
Tell them say you're a big
Every day me
sponsor.
have to work. You never take exercise. You make the pussy get tight.
When you come look for me.
You're tight in the pussy for. That my cocky go bruise up.
When you
Can't
come
go
look
bruise
for
up.
me.
No, you come. You know where me live. I better come here because I don't want when you're balling because you're tight us. You have the knee glide. You know why when you're balling, baby could have hair around there. You don't want nobody here, but you cry on the cocky. Well, that's a big good feel. You laugh. See, the practical did it, you know. Cock up is a 10.
So you go cook my food.
You what?
You go cook food for me.
Now cook no food for you. You eat dryers. Dryers again. Crackers.
Pizza.
Crackers again.
What kind of dryers?
Crackers. Like crackers and a hot dog. You don't need no food, man. Live off of your fat, man. A cocky out. Yeah, man, you don't need no food. You can't get an orange juice. No, soda pop. A soda pot and a hot dog. You don't need no.
Come my area, Jerry, and I go give me no to eat.
Yeah, a soda pop and a hot dog. Or a bag juice. Or a sky juice. Yeah, and that's why. How day you can spend? 1 week?
2 months.
Now I can spend 2 months on a working class liver, man. 1 night.
I'm in a working.
After you make me lazy. You're going to make me lazy. We can't keep you long. And your lazy spirit will come. We have to work for the farming. So the yard say farming. We have the living room prepared. We have the bedroom
So you
prepared.
mean 1 night you made the
That
one?
is
Now 1 night, man,
embarrassing.
she can lazy up. And you know, you can't do more than 1 night. Don't get lazy. But you're lazy, you know. You're a lazy woman. The spirit of lazy, she wants to come for spirit. 1 night, man. 1 night without
Don't make
fucking.
that show,
The good feel. Yeah, man. We fuck whole night, you know. Cock up is a 10. You can hold on on the bed and hold on tight. The hood are going in your clothes, you know. The hood in your clothes. That way you disclose. Hurry up, uncle. I can't come for weekend.
Tell them
Yes.
to let me sponsor you.
Sponsor me there. Right. Boy, let's put my cigarette
The two done.
on the game.
When it's two done by next, it's couple more
When you
seconds
done
it's
the
done.
game, you go unwind.
Come here up on the road, couple more seconds.
Yeah, seconds.
Don't make the buckle show.
So when
Yeah.
you come look for me.
Sponsor. You better
When you come look for me, Jerry.
Alright, then I
Well, I
beg,
get
tell
tell
him
him so they can call him.
Call
Give me his number, you know.
Me? Am I Shaka?
Yeah.
The phone on.
Yeah, here.
Outside.
Me don't even answer your phone when a woman them a call.
Lose, the game just done. You lose.
Yeah.
Wait.
Tell him say thanks.
Yeah. Thanks and bye.
God, thank you so much.
Yeah, my baby. Rosalie, I call you Jerry.
Rosealee.
Answer.
Yeah, you know, aye.
Jerry!
Oh, is that work? Mr. Want a battery. Look at the phone. Yeah, Mr. Want a battery for that phone. I take 48 hours to charge. The phone are done.
I put it on the ears and talk.
You never take the speaker up.
Alright, put
You
the
know,
ears.
slap on me ears.
Jerry!
Come on, talk.
Yeah, fine. Wonderful. That's it, man.
I can't hear
I
you.
hear what going on, Rosealee. The battery take 48 hours. The battery I don't pan. Me need money, you know. And money me need. The battery take 48 hours to charge. I walk country, I'm come back, the battery does charge up most today. It's like the battery I done. I'm going to put it on a computer to get it back, you know. Never learn to put it on a computer.
Your phone not work.
It's a work, but it's so... No, work
Ask my number,
because
never call me yet.
A glasses are plastic.
Glass.
Glasses?
Yeah.
And the man tell me turn a glass, a protecting shield.
Yeah, screen protector.
So how much your glass, sir?
I don't remember. Me
Jerry!
Yeah, me I hear you.
Why you not call my phone?
Well, we're busy, you know. We have the whole power, construction, agriculture, farming, raw plant, banana. You know, I take the coconut tree and the money coca plant and the palm them, plant them against the side of the fence.
Yeah, you keep you remember have the money cocoa plant, yeah.
Your money coca plant.
Yeah, you can't come out
Your
here
palm?
with some.
Your palm?
No.
Them have a bag of palm, have about 10,000 palm. And we have a coconut tree for you. And I'm going to look something that tree. Where tree
I
your
put
name?
tree that Jerry.
No, man, not enough tree, man. The Christmas tree, not the Christmas tree. Pine tree.
Jerry, I too much tree that.
Just it up. Pine.
As I talk about Christmas tree, your Christmas tree I did in Jerry. Look like Christmas
Man,
gone
you know,
in
you
dead.
know, if it's dead, then we can watch it. If I want to pay for it, you know.
But it not come like it come like it's a dead.
Well, I mean, if it's dead, then I'm going to dig it and sort it up. I'm going to get
But
up
when you
more.
come check me,
Are you for come? Come in the one
Yeah,
here
some
when
deal.
you don't want to be here when you're ball. I say, big good,
Yeah,
you know.
some-
A big good when you come.
me have something for you.
Yeah, the pussy. How much that you have for me?
Over there, free shot. Pete! Why Peter go on for me today?
Look.
What a freeze up chat.